topic for this video is translating verbal phrases to mathematical phrases and vice versa. So, meron tayong mga keywords na dapat malaman para maging guide natin kung anong operation yung gagamitin natin. So, start tayo kay addition. So, in addition, the some of the words or keywords na ginagamit to represent addition is the word plus, the sum of, added to, increased by, more than, greater than, exceeds by, more. Ayan yung mga ginagamit if we are talking about addition. Next is for subtraction. So we have the minus, the difference of, diminished by, decreased by, subtracted from, less than, take away, and less. For multiplication, we have times, the product of, multiplied by, of, thrice, twice. For division, we have divided by, the quotient of, all over, and ratio. So remember, kapag ginamit natin yung salitang more than, added to, less than, and subtracted from, it means the first number isi-switch natin sa second number. Okay, so mag-change tayo ng order. So example, we have the verbal phrase 2 more than x, 2 added to x, 2 less than x, and 2 subtracted from x. Kapag ginawa siyang mathematical phrase, iti-change natin yung order ng terms. Kung sa verbal phrase, unang sinabi si 2, pag ginawa nating mathematical phrase, magiging second term si 2. Okay? The same if we use the added to. The same din kapag ginamit mo yung less than and subtracted from. Okay, tandaan natin yan kasi yan yung mga words na malilito tayo pag yan yung ginamit sa ating verbal phrase. Okay, example, we have this verbal phrase 5 more than B. Ang unang step is to identify the keyword. Okay, so sa first example, the keyword is more than. Okay, alam naman natin na kapag ginamit yung salitang more than, it represent addition. So kapag ginawang mathematical phrase, that will be the plus sign. Okay? Since yung more than, siya yung word na kapag ginamit natin, kailangan baliktarin yung order. It means we have B plus 5. So, yung first number na sinabi sa ating verbal phrase, magiging second number. Then, yung second letter or second term, magiging first term siya kay mathematical phrase. Next one, we have the ratio of 8 and y. Dito, ginamit yung salitang the ratio of, and yung keyword na ratio of is under the operation of division. So, ano daw yung i-divide? 8 and y. Pero this time, gagamitin natin yung over to represent division. So, 8 is the numerator. So, we have 8 divided by y. Okay, next, we have the product of 9 and x. So, yung salitang the product, the keyword the product, is under the operation multiplication. Ano daw yung ipagmumultiply? Ang ipagmumultiply is 9 and x. Pero kay mathematical phrase, hindi natin kailangan isulat yung multiplication sign. Since ang pinagmultiply is number and letter or variable, kapag sinulat mo siya into mathematical phrase, pagtatabihin mo lang sila. So let's put the number 9 and the letter x. Okay, so that is 9 times x or the product of 9 and x. Okay, next, we have x diminished by 5. The word diminish is under subtraction. So, minus tayo dito kay mathematical phrase. Sino ba yung pinag-minus? We have the x and the 5. Okay, next. Last example, we have 4 less C. Okay, ginamit yung salitang less. And less is also under subtraction. Okay, ano ba yung dalawang pinag-minus? We have 4 and the letter C. So that is 4 minus C. This time, ang given ko naman is yung mathematical phrase, then ito naman yung gagawin nating verbal phrase. So sa number 1, the operation is addition. Okay, marami tayong pwedeng ipalit kay addition. We can have many words to use to represent addition. If I will going to choose, ang gagamitin ko is yung salitang added to. So, sulat ko yung salitang added to. Okay? So, kanino ba i-add sino ba yung mga number na i-add? So, the numbers to be added is the number M or the letter M and the number 8. Okay, so ang verbal phrase ko is M added to 8. Okay, next. Sa mathematical phrase, sabi dyan is 7 minus A. So, subtraction naman ang ginamit dito. Okay, if I were going to choose the words na pwedeng ipalit kay minus or kay subtraction, I will choose diminish. Okay, so sulat natin si word na diminish. Si diminish ay under subtraction. Okay, so diminish. Then, sino ba yung pagmaminus natin? Si number 7 and si A. Okay, so we have 7 diminish by A. Okay, next, we have R plus 20. So, plus na naman yung ating operation. Since ginamit ko na yung salitang added to, iba naman yung gagamitin ko. Let me use the word increase by. Since pag ginamit mo yung increase by, ibig sabihin yan is also addition. Okay, so sulat natin, increase by. Then, sino ba yung ipagpa-plus natin? Ang ipagpa-plus natin ay si R and si 20. So, we have R increased by 20. Okay, next. We have 9 and N. Sabi natin kanina, kapag nakita natin magkatabi yung number and letter, it means multiplication. So, next is, simplihan na lang natin. Gagamitin ko yung salitang times. Okay, yan yung pinaka-common na keyword na gagamitin natin in multiplication. So, we have, ang pinag-multiply is the number 9 and the letter N. So, we have 9 times N. Next, we have y over 8. Kapag ganito, it means division. Okay, so let me use the word the quotient of. Okay, since the quotient of is under division. So, sa last example, we have the quotient of, ang pinag-divide is si letter y and si number 8. So, that is the quotient of y, small letter lang, y, and 8. Okay, kung ayaw naman nating isulat yung given letter, pwede nating gamitin yung a certain number or yung salitang a number. Okay, kung ayaw nating sabihin yung letter. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong video.